Alright, so I am here in them. If you have not created any empty account yet, what you want to do is click on this sign up right here and you want to assign them. I have already created an account, so I am just going to be signing in right here. So after I signing, this is what I see and this is my dashboard, and here I am going to be searching for the new domain. So this is the one which is I want to buy. It is called september.com. This is what I am going to buy today. You can see the domain is available and I can purchase it. So I am just going to add this is to cart. So as you can see, we have the domain registration here, the domain privacy and all these different SSL, VPN, all the stuff you don't need. Alright, so all you need is just the domain and the privacy, which is just free. It is free forever. So it's just the price of the domain. That's what you need to buy. Alright, so I am gonna click to confirm order. So filling your payment information and then user can continue. I am not going to sort it because I am going to be filling in my credit card details and all those stuff. And at last base, what they ask you is the P&L. So obviously I am just going on click P&L. Alright, so after I purchase, I click on my name right here and then click on dashboard. And here we are. As you can see, we have the september.com right there. This is my domain name, and right now I am going to show you how you can link this domain to your online store. So I am here in the Shopify store where I want to link the domain I just bought. So to this link, I am going to go down here in setting, and after this I am going to scroll all the way down to domain as you can see right here. And after this I am just going to click on connect existing domain. Here I am just going to type in one which I just bought, that is 10.com. And going to click on that. So here in MC I am going to find the domain. I bought Kaise right here and I am going to click on this right here, and after I click on this I am gonna come here onto advanced DNS, and guess what, you don't need to do is anything here. All you have to do is just click on this DNS and this template and just select simplify, and after you do that just click on this small icon right here and then click on continue, and boom, that's it. After you do this, you have to come back to your Shopify store, and here you need to click on verify connection. It may not work immediately, it may take some time, you have to wait for it. I'm just going to click on verify connection. Let's see. As you can see, it is still showing some error. You have to wait for a while, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and I want to show you once again. So after you have wait for a while, let's see, I am going to click on it, and boom, you can see now we have September connected to our online store, and it is a primary domain for our online store. Here it says SSL, and after you give a quick refresh, it's going to be solved. So I am just going to click on this one, and I believe it should. So let's go back, and as you can see, SSL is solved as well. So everything is now proper, and we just bought a domain and we linked it to our online store. Next we click on september.com. It will take us to our Shopify store, and anyone can visit our online store with this domain, and that's how simple it is linked to your domain to your Shopify store. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friend, and subscribe the YouTube channel Get E-commerce. I will see you guys in my next video.